This will be an unboxing of this microphone arm stand, what comes in the box, and basically how it strap it to your desk or whatever it is that you're going to be strapping it to. Right, so this is my new microphone stand from InnoGear, which is the brand of a stand that I use. If you guys didn't realise, I actually damaged my previous stand on my previous live stream. Is my voice low?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Yep, I have no idea. I've just literally broken that straight off. It's broken straight off, like literally. So the wife was nice enough to order me a brand new one, which this one, InnoGear's microphone scissor arm stand, is suitable for family stages, studios, broadcasting and TV stations. It is made of high quality steel frame, max load approximately 53 ounces, 1.5 kg. Arm bends back and forth at the base. Movements is solid and smooth, convenient to be carried around. I've got one already that I've already been using, but unfortunately that one is completely damaged, as you'll see from the footage. So what you can see from that footage, I tried to repair the actual stand myself with some glue and stuff, but it didn't work out at all. This will be an unboxing of this microphone arm stand, what comes in the box, and basically how it strap it to your desk or whatever it is that you're going to be strapping it to. I'm going to be strapping it to my game desk, so I'm going to be having it fit the point where you obviously see all the glue stuff. So anyway, let's crack this open and see what's inside. So this is what you get inside of your packaging, obviously. So here we have the actual arm stand. So that will actually clamp to my desk. It's actually made of steel as well, so it won't get damaged or break. The bit that I actually broke, this bit here, this is like paramount. This is basically what I did. I put it into the actual socket arm, which is here. You undo this screw thing here, you slide this into here like that, and then you do this up like so, and then this doesn't move anymore. So if you want this to be able to move like left and right, if you want it to move like this way and this way, you need to keep this loosened so you can actually turn this arm left and right. I didn't do that. I tightened this like a proper boss, and then I tried to turn it and I literally bent this thing inside. I basically bent this in half. It snapped off here on my last live stream. This is quite a good size arm. It's not massive. There is two sizes to this. This is the medium size, and then you've also got the large as well. Also, you'll actually get this little note from InnoGear. We are committed to practical, easy to use products as well as exceptional customer service. InnoGear products comes with 12 warranty. Problem for me, obviously, I broke mine. It was a week ago now. This is like 4 years old now, I think, the one I've got. So obviously I can't claim on that. Also in the packaging, before we continue, is this, which I'm not going to need to use. Yeah, I've actually got two of these now, these mic hooks, but I've actually got a better one. This is actually quite cheap. You get with every kind of bracket or mic stand arm. This is like one version. The other version I've got is this one here, and this is the one that came with the new stand. Came through with my previous one. They are both kind of redundant in my setup. So this is my BM800 condenser mic, and I've done a video about this whole setup before. So if you want to see more about the actual mic itself, be sure to go check that video. I will put a little thing in the top. Right, so that's all three cable ties off. Now we can actually get on with getting the mic off the actual base. So my condenser mic, it comes off pretty easily. Here, just unscrew this, and that should loosen this up. So unscrew this here, and that should just pop off like that. Now they've got the condenser mic off, I can pop that onto the new one. So we'll move that just out of the way. Alright, so we'll just get the clamp off. These are quite good. This is what I did with mine. That is incredible. Yeah, so that can go in the bin. Now we just get the new one. make sure it's tight enough. That feels pretty solid on there. That's not going to come off anytime. The other one actually damaged the table a little bit. This one's actually quite good. It's got a sponge thing in between the actual bit there, which is actually quite good. Then we get obviously the bracket arm here, and then we just put that into the hole there, and that's pretty much the bracket arm done. This one actually came with this thing here. This is like a sleeve. Some mics inside here, they're actually too big. If your mic is too small, the good thing is they gave you that to go bring it with it. Just screw that on there like that. Get it on there like that. I like to make sure it's nice and tight on there. And then you've got this bit here which you can tighten up, and that will secure the mic. And with condenser mics, just a quick one, obviously you've got to find where the condenser hole is. You won't be able to see that on the camera, unfortunately, but it's in there. You'll see this like yellowish looking thing inside there. You've got to look which way the actual hole goes through, because if you've got the mic on the wrong way around, people will hear you, but it will sound like as if talking through a paper bag or something. So you've got to make sure your condensers mics are facing the right way. And so this is the finished article. Obviously I've done the rewiring and everything. I've wired the wiring back in again using some cable ties just to hold the wire in place, so that when you move it up or down, your cables doesn't get snagged as you're doing these movements with it. That it can actually go like down. You can bring it forwards, you can bring it backwards, and you can move it left and right. You can actually do this up, not too much, just so if you've got a bit of movement, so then when you bring it up you can actually turn the mic and it's not actually damaging that actual thing there. So big thanks to my missus for getting me a brand new gorgeous arm for my mic. So I just want to say a massive thank you to everybody for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. You can see more tutorials like this one or other ones coming up in the future. Please be sure to subscribe and like if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you on the next one.